In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make use of Snow Intelligence and how to set it up in your environment and connect it to your dataset so that you can get the benefits of Snow Intelligence. So what is Snow Intelligence? Snow Intelligence is a suite of analytics tools and features within Snowflake's data cloud platform that helps organizations analyze and derive insight from their data. It includes capability for data science, machine learning, and AI-powered analytics to help businesses make data-driven decisions. So this is the website. You can access it at ai.snowflake.com. To set up Snowflake Intelligence, you need to log into your Snowflake platform. I've logged into my account here. So the first thing we need to do is to create a database called Snowflake Intelligence. And we need to grant usage on this database to the role public. I'm going to be using public for this example, but in your environment, you might have specific roles that you want to have access to this. So you just replace the public that you have here. The next thing you'll be doing is to create a schema called Snowflake_intelligence.agent, as well as granting usage on this schema to the role public. The next thing you'll be doing is to grant create agent on the schema to a particular role. I'll be granting it to public. This allows recipients of this role to be able to create agents. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to execute this. I've gone ahead to execute that. You see on the left here, they're all created here as well. I'll go ahead to explain what agents are. Agents are autonomous software entities that can perform tasks, make decisions, and interact with your environment independently. They typically have specific roles and can process information and take action based on defined rules or AI capabilities. For examples, like you have chatbots and virtual assistants as well. So after executing this, the next thing you will do will be to navigate to the left where you have AI and machine learning. If you scroll down to the end, you have agent. So you click on this. You have create agent. So for the sake of this example, I'll be creating another agent. So you give it a name. Let's call this Snowflake_agent. You can repeat this here as the display name. So you create this. It has been created successfully. Our agent is created. So if you navigate to the edit button, you are able to see some settings that you can change. For example, instructions, you can set rules for how the agent should sound and respond to users. So here I will say be concise. You click on save. This is for tools, for Cortex, analyst, and the likes, for orchestration and access. So account admin has access to this. So we'll only be changing instruction for the sake of this video. Under Cortex Analyst, you can also limit your agent to a specific database, as we have here. But for the sake of this example, I'm just going to leave it on all. So it has access to all your data. Now to see the agent and Snowflake Intelligence in action, so you navigate to the website, that's ai.snowflake.com. You log on. This is what the interface looks like. If you navigate to agents, you can see the two agents that I had created on my Snowflake platform. If you go to new chat, you can select what agent you want to use. Now, we'll just type a common question. What is Snowflake? As you can see, it has given you some information. So when this agent gets very familiar with your data, you can start asking it questions as regards your environment, and it can give you answers for performance tuning. It can form data models and the likes. It's a very, very powerful tool if properly implemented and utilized in your environment. So yeah, thank you for watching.